Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add credit card to Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then here you can find the profile and settings. Now tap on it. Then here you can find add a payment method. Now select it. Now here is the thing. If something like this is shown on your home screen or your mobile screen, adding a payment method is not supported on your area or your location. And if it is supported, you can simply choose the credit card option and add it. If it is not supported on your area, then that means you cannot add any payment method on the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can add the credit card to Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.